Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you in Idealist Academy. I am your tutor Bhumika Bhashni. In this video lecture, we will learn how we prepare the solution in our lab. So let's start today's lecture. First, we understand what is a solution. Now, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components in a particle size in is small than 1 nanometer. What is a solution? Solution is a mixture of one or more than one component. For example, solution of sugar in water is the example of solution. When we resolve this sugar, suppose this is a sugar and this is a water. When we dissolve this sugar in this water, then this mixture is homogeneous mixture and this mixture is known as a solution. Okay, this solution have a two component. First component is solvent and second component is solute. Now we understand what is a solute and what is a solvent. Now we understand what is a solute. Solute the component that dissolve the other component. The component which have a capability to dissolve any other thing is known as a solvent. For example, water. In water, we will dissolve sugar easily, salt, and many other things also. Okay, that's why here this water is act as a solvent. Okay, this is a solvent because this sugar is completely dissolved in this solution, in this mixture. That's why this mixture is known as a solvent. Now we understand second component, that is a solute. What is a solute? Solute the component that are dissolved in a solvent. The component which dissolve in this solvent, that component is known as a solute. For example, here sugar. Sugar is a solute because it completely solvent or dilute in this solvent. That's why this sugar is known as a solute. Okay, you understand? For example, sugar soup. Sugar soaks in a solution where sugar is dissolved in soup. Water using heat. Here water is act as a solvent and sugar is a solute. Okay. What is a solution? Solution is a mixture of solvent and solute. Okay, what is solvent? Solvent is a part, is a component, is a component in which our solute is completely dissolved. What is solute? Solute is a part of solution that are dissolved in solvent. The mixture of solute and solvent is known as a solution. Okay, now we understand types of solution. There are four types of solution which are used in our laboratories. First is a molar solution, second is a percentage solution, third is a stroke and working solution, and fourth is a X solution. Now we understand what is a molar solution. Molar solution. Molar means in this solution we will talk about in which solute are solids. Okay. Now, molarity is another standard expression of solute concentration. This molar solution tells about the concentration of a solution. This tells about the concentration of a solution. And molarity is also a standard expression which we use to find out the concentration of a solution. Okay, now we understand what is a molar solution. Molar solution are types of solution in which the molar weight of a solute is calculated in a molar concentration in a 1 liter of solution. Understand? If we take a 1 liter of distilled water, 1 liter of distilled water, now we dissolve a gram molecular weight of any substance. Now this mixture is known as a molar solution. It's a gram molar molecular weight actually. For example, we dissolve NaCl. NaCl का molecular weight है 58.456. Okay, this is a molecular weight of NaCl. Okay, now we dissolve this 58.44456 gram NaCl into a 1 liter of distilled water. Then this solution is known as a molar solution. What is a molar solution? Molar solution is a types of solution in which we count the gram molecular weight of solute which is completely dissolved in a 1 liter of distilled water. Okay, here our solvent is distilled water and our solute is NaCl, and this completely mixture is known as a solution. Okay, in molar solution we will dissolve the gram molecular weight of solute into a 100 liter of water या फिर solvent. Okay, which is the now we understand how we find out the weight of a concentration of a solution, okay, of a mixture. This is the formula by which we easily find out how we how we count, yeah, how we calculate the weight which are required to dissolve to formulate any mixture. This is a first we multiplication of mole, and that is a molarity. Then giving quality, in which quality we want to make our solution. Next, molecular weight upon 100 1000. Okay, now we understand this formula by the help of an example. Okay, now we want to make a mixture in which we want 100 ml of 5 molar concentration NaCl. Okay, we want to make a mixture of 5 molar in 100 ml. Okay, now we find out, yeah, we calculate how much amount of NaCl we required for the preparation of this solution. Now we put these values in this formula. Okay, now weight equal to molecular. Moles. How many moles? It is a 5 mole. And how much amount of solution we require? 100 ml. And what is the molecular weight of NaCl? This is a 58.456. Okay, this is a 58.456. Now divided it into 1000. When I solved it, we found the answer of this question 49.29 ग्राम. ये आ गया NaCl की weight. Okay, this amount of this, now we this when we add the 29.29 gram NaCl into a 100 ml of distilled water, then we obtain, then this solution is 15 molar concentration, 5 molar concentration. Okay, okay. This is whole about when our solute is a solid. Okay, this formula apply when our solute is solid. Whenever our solute is liquid, then we use this formula. In this formula, we will use the purity of the liquid solution, then specific gravity and molecular weight. Okay, purity and specific gravity of the solution is already given. Okay, now we understand this formula with the help of an example. Example, we want to prepare a solution. We want to prepare a solution of 0.2 molar solution. Okay, we want to prepare a 0.2 molar solution of HNO3. Okay, in 100 ml. Okay, and the purity of NaCl is 70% and specific gravity equal to 14 and molecular weight equal to 69. These things are already given. Okay, onto a bottle. Okay, now we put these all values in this formula. Then molarity equal to purity 70 multiplication by specific gravity multiplied by 10 divided by molecular weight 69. Now we find the molarity of this solution is 14.2. Okay, now we will put this value in this formula. We want to prepare M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Okay, now M1 M2 M1, what is the molarity of a given solution? ठीक है, that is called the M1. Okay, 14.2. And in which volume it is dissolved, we don't know. Okay, so we will find out the V1. Okay, now which concentration of our which concentration of solution we require? We required 0.2 concentration solution. In which amount of water? Into a 100 ml. Then we find out the volume with the help of this formula easily. Now we find out the V1 equal to 1.40 ml. This is an ml. Okay. Now we prepare a solution. Okay. For the preparation of solution, we will subtract this value into a 100 minus 1.40, it will approximately 99.6 something. Okay, now 99.6 something, we will take a distilled water and add 1.4 ml of HNO3. Now this solution in is 0.2 molar concentration. Okay, in this solution, in this formulation of this solution, we will first find out the volume which we required. Okay, then minus this volume, then subtract this volume with in 100 ml, which ml you required. Okay, whenever we subtract this value, then remaining, then so after subtraction, which from, for example, after the subtraction we will found the value x, then we add the one volume of calculated solution and volume after the subtract solution, and mix it properly and make our solution. Okay, now we understand this formula with the help of another example. Okay, now we want to formulate a 0.3 molar concentration of solution. Okay, of of HNO3, same compound, in 200 ml. Okay, now, and purity of this solution is already 70, specific gravity 14, and molecular weight 69. Okay, now put these all values in the formula and find out the molarity of this solution. Molarity, now purity multiplication by specific gravity multiply by 100 multiply by 10 divided by 69, and we find out the molarity of the solution is same 12.2. Okay, now we find out the volume which are required for making a 200 ml solution of 0.3 concentration. So we put this value on this formula, V1 M1 equal to M2 V2. M1 is equal to 14.2, and V1 we will find out with the help of this formula, and our required concentration is 3.3 and volume is 200 ml. Now 0.3 divided multiplication by 200 divided by 12.14.2. Now the value of this solution volume is required point 3 multiplication by 200 divided by 14.2, and we find out the value 4.2 ml volume. For the preparation of 0.3 molar concentration, we will require the 4.2 ml of distilled water. Now, we take the 200 ml minus 4.2. Okay, minus 4.2, and we find out 158 195.8. Okay, now we will take the 195.8 distilled water and 4.2 our HNO3, and total volume is now 200 ml, and now this solution is 0.3 molar concentration. Okay, now we prepare our solution easily. If we do not minus this value with this volume, then the concentration of this solution is disbalanced. That's why first we subtract this value, then we add. Okay, then we add our substrate, then we add our distilled water in this solution and prepare a 0.3 molar concentration solution. This is a whole procedure. By the help of this complete solution, we will prepare our liquid solution. Okay, why the if our solute is solid, then we will use this formula and follow this procedure. If our solute is liquid, then we will follow this procedure. Firstly, we will use this value firstly we will find out the value of molarity of the solution, then we find out the volume with the help of this solution, then we subtract the volume of given volume, then we prepare our solution by the to follow this procedure. These are the two ways by which we prepare our molar solutions. Now we understand what is a mass percentage solution. What is a mass percentage solution? Percentage means 100. Okay. In this solution, we understand all study in 100 ml of solutions. Okay. What is a mass percentage solution? Mass percentage solution is defined as gram of solute per 100 ml of solution. Okay. Now we understand this definition with the help of this example. Now we take a 20 gram of solute of NaCl in 100 ml of solution of 20% of NaCl. Okay, we will take a 20 gram of sodium. If we will take the 20 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml of solution, then this solution is known as a 20% NaCl solution, and this is a mass percentage solution. How we will prepare this solution? Firstly, we will weigh the 20 gram of NaCl. Then we will mix it in firstly we will mix it in 70 ml of distilled water completely. After that, we will make up this volume up to 100 ml. In this way, we will prepare our mass percentage solution in a lab. Okay, now we understand this formula with the help of this example. Okay, now we understand how much gram of solute we will require for the preparation of our required solution. For this, we will use this formula: gram equal to desired percentage desired volume divided by 100. For example, we will prepare 300 ml of 15% of potassium hydroxide solution. Then how will we prepare this solution? We will prepare how much gram of the potassium hydroxide required for the preparation of this solution. Now we desired percentage is 15 percentage, desired volume is 300 ml divided by 100, and now we will find the 45 gram. Now for the preparation of 50% potassium chloride, we will require 45 gram NaCl for the preparation of this solution. Okay. In this way, we will find out the mass percentage solution. To understand this exam formula, we will take another example and understand how we use this formula. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. For example, we want to prepare 50 ml of 0.05 percentage weight by volume of AgNO3. Okay. For the preparation of this solution, how much amount of AgNO3 required? For we put this volume and our in this formula and find out the answer. Next, सबसे पहले firstly we require the required percentage, and required percentage is 0.05 and required volume is 15 divided by 100. Now 15 5 ja 15 5 ja 75 divided by 1000. We will take 75 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Gram HNO3 वो AgNO3 और 7.5 milligram AgNO3 is required for the formulation of this solution. Okay. Now you understand how we prepare the weight by volume solution and mass percentage solutions. Okay. Now we understand how we will prepare if our solute is in liquid, and that liquid is known that types of solution is known as a volume by volume solution. For the preparation of volume by volume solution, we will use same formula and formulate our values. Now for we understand this solution by the help of this example, how we will prepare this solution. Now we want to prepare 9 by 2 ml, sorry, we want to prepare 912 ml solution of 21.5 percentage of HNO3. ठीक है। हाँ, इंटू 100, ठीक है। नाउ we put these all values in our previous formula. Now how much amount? 21, actually इसको erase करते हैं, 21.5 multiplied by 912 ml and 100. Now 215 multiplied by 912 divided by 1000. Now calculate this value. 215 multiplication by 912 divided by 1000, and we will find out the value 196.08, approximately 196.1 ml of HNO3 solution. Okay? Now, how we will prepare this solution? For the preparation of this solution, we will use the same concept which we used in our for the preparation of molar liquid solution preparation. ठीक है? Now we will subtract this value in this volume. Firstly we will minus 196.1, and we will find out approximately 1715.99. ठीक है। Now we will take the 1715.99 distilled water and add 160.1 HNO3 solution. Now this volume of this solution is 1912 ml, and the percentage of this solution is 21.5. If we directly add this solution in this and directly add this if we directly add this mixture in this HNO3 in this solution, now the concentration of this solution will increase or decrease maybe, and the volume of this solution will disbalance. Now the volume of this mixture become a 196.1, and now the volume of this solution is 1108.1 ml, and our concentration of this solution is disbalanced. That's why firstly we subtract this value, then we make up the volume with the help of distilled water. In this way we prepare the volume by volume solution. Okay, now we understand what next types of solution, that is a stock solution and working solution. Now we understand what is a stock solution. What do you mean by stock? Stock is a type of storage. Mean in layman language, stock known as a storage of something. Okay, now these stock solutions are a highly concentration solution. These are a highly concentrated solution or mixture. ठीक है। Stock solution are made up of accurately weighted of prescribed amount of nutrition or component and dissolved in a specified volume of distilled water, if possible in a volumetric flask. Okay, now What is a stock solution? Now we understand. Okay, what is a stock solution? Stock solution is a highly concentration solution. In our lab, there are a lots of solution which are required frequently. For example, if we want to run the gel electrophoresis, then we require running buffer, mm, more running buffer for the formulation and the buffer. This running buffer, we require frequently this running buffer, and the preparation of this running buffer is literally time taking. That's why we prepare this running buffer as in the form of a stock solution. After the with the help of this stock solution, when we require the running buffer, we will make the working solution from the stock solution. Okay, why we will prepare this stock, why we will prepare this stock solution? Because mainly these stock solutions are the buffer solution, and the pH of these buffer solution is very specific, and there is a very tough task to very tough and time taking task to maintain a pH of the solution daily, and it will take a time. That's why to reduce the time and to reduce the time and increase the efficiency of our work, we will prepare our stock solution, and we will whenever we require the solution, we will make the working solution from the stock solutions. Okay, for the making of stock solutions, we will require this formula: m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. M1 is known as a concentration of our stock solution. Volume, we will find how much amount of volume we will required for making the concentration of our required molar concentration and required volume. Okay, for example, if we want to prepare a stock solution from a we will want to prepare a working solution from a stock solution. So for example, our solution is a 15 molar concentration. Okay, now we want to prepare a 1 molar concentration in 100 ml. Okay, then we will use this formula: m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. M1 is our 15 volume which required. Next 1 ml, then 100 volume equal to 1 into 100 divided by 15. Now b आएगा 100 divided by 15. 100 divided by 15. 6.7 ml volume. Now we will take the 16.7 ml solution from a stock solution. Okay, now same procedure: 100 minus 6.7, it is approximately 100 minus 6.7 is it approximately 93.3 ml of distilled water. Now we will take the 93.3 ml of distilled water and add 6.7 ml our stock solution. Now our 15 now our 1 molar concentration solution is prepared. Okay, and the pH, now the pH of this solution is 6.8. Now the pH of this solution is same, it does not vary. That's why to reduce the timing of the working, and to avoid the maintain the pH time to time. That's why, and increase the efficiency of our work, we already prepare a stock solution, and whenever we require the solution, we will make the working solution with the help of a stock solution and perform our experiment very easily. Okay, it will reduce the time it will reduce the time capacity and increase the efficiency of our work. Okay, this is known as a stock solution and working solution. Now we understand what is a X solution, and this is the last type of solution. X denotes the strength of a solution. It will denote the strength of a stock solutions. For example, if we require X, X means multiplication. If one X solution in, for example, we understand what is a X solution. We want to prepare a solution in which there are a lots of mixture, lots of component. जैसे for example, we want to prepare a stock solution, and in this stock solution there are a three component: first component, two components, second component, and three components, and the concentration of these components are vary. Now how much we will prepare this stock solution, and how we will perform, how will we make the stock solution, working solution from this stock solution. To resolve this process, we will use this X solution. In X solutions means we will use, for example, for example we will use a tracking die. ठीक है, tracking die solution. ठीक है, in this solution we will 1x means in this solution only one x gram, मतलब 1x gram tracking die is present. If 2x, then the concentration of this die is double. If 3x, then concentration in this solution of this die is triple. Now 4x, now the concentration in this solution is 4 times. As 50x, then concentration is 50x, and 100x, the concentration is 100 times. Okay, it define the capacity, the strength of the solution. First 1x मतलब one capacity, 2x मतलब the concentration is double, 3x मतलब concentration is triple, 50x मतलब concentration of the of the compound is 15x, 100x means concentration of this compound is 100x, and this is known as a strength X solution. Now we understand some conversion. If we want, this is a very important formula. जैसे if we want the percentage solution into a molarity, then we will use this formula. Okay, if we want to change this molarity into percentage solution, then we will use this formula. Okay, and this is all about the solution preparation. Thank you so much. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please follow ITLS Academy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and also get it on Google Play Store. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe ITLS Academy. Thank you.